Hey guys! Today I come back with an interesting project. In this video, I will first review channels that have videos in this field. After that, I will teach you how to create this project. You can easily create your own videos. Without further ado, let's move on to the new niche. As you know, Lofi videos are very attractive and popular. Let's take a look at several channels and their approximate incomes together. Check out this channel. It has uploaded 68 videos and has 5.897K subscribers. The video durations are 24 hours, and the first video of this channel was uploaded a month ago. Its highest view count is 148K. Now let's take a look at the channel's approximate income together. It's very interesting that it has managed to earn $2,800 in its first month of operation. Now, let's look at the second channel. This channel has 182 videos and 44.1K subscribers. As you can see, the duration of most videos is 24 hours. The first video was uploaded 9 months ago, and the highest view count is 126K. I was very shocked when I saw the approximate income of this channel. It has earned $10,200 per month in less than a year. The third channel will definitely surprise you. This channel is one of the most famous Lofi channels. As you can see, it has 157 videos and more than 14 million subscribers. The average duration of the videos on this channel is 1 hour. The first video was uploaded 4 years ago, and as you can see, it has received millions of views. The amazing part of this channel is its revenue. It is estimated to earn more than $96,000 per month. But before you decide to create a Lofi channel, let me tell you a few important secrets. First secret: all the channels I showed you have regular uploads. When you look at their upload times, you will notice a fixed routine, which is the main reason for the growth of these channels. When you upload videos daily or every other day, YouTube notices your consistency. This causes your video to be suggested to more people. This has been stated repeatedly by YouTube. Second secret: all channels upload videos longer than 1 hour. Lofi videos are mostly for daily use. The longer they are, the more appealing they are. Third secret: most channels with high views go live daily. Live streaming is very effective for the growth of lo-fi channels. Doing this attracts your audience to be with you every day. Now that you know the secrets of these types of videos, it is better to start creating them. Let's get started without delay. To create a Lofi video, we first need a channel. There are many tutorials on creating a channel on YouTube. To speed up the tutorial, I will skip this part. You can easily watch a YouTube channel creation tutorial and create it. After creating your channel and designing its logo and banner, we start making the video. In the first step of making a Lofi video, we need a background image. Previously, you could create as many images as you wanted for free with Leonardo AI. But with its new update, it creates a limited number of images for you and has more restrictions. Therefore, I suggest Adobe Firefly. This AI is very simple and advanced, and you can easily get amazing images from it. On the main page, click the Generate button. I have already created an account. You can easily create an account for yourself with your email, Facebook, or Apple address. On the new page, you can write descriptions of the image you need in the prompt section. But first, you need to determine what type of music you are considering for the Lofi video. You can create sports, sleep, study, cafe, or any other type of music. We'll add your descriptions for creating the image based on the music style. Set the aspect ratio to 16.9 from the right menu. If you are making music for short videos, you can select the 3.4 size. You can upload a reference photo in the structure section or choose from the Adobe Firefly gallery. In the Styles section, you can also add a sample photo to make the final image closer to your imagination. You can choose any effect you like from the Effects menu. You can determine the final image color from the Color and Tone menu, or even get it in black and white. From the next menu, you can also specify the image lighting and camera angle. Finally, wait for the images to be ready. You can download all or some of the images. Now that your image is ready, let's move on to creating the music. You can use the Mubert.com site to create music. This site allows you to create different beats, and you can easily create your music. But note one thing. To publish your music on YouTube, you need to purchase a pro account to monetize your channel. Besides this site, you can also use another site. AIVA is a music creation site that offers more features. By purchasing a pro account on this site, you can even get the copyright for the music you produce and earn money from it. But today, I will teach you how to create music on Mubert. If you are interested in learning how to create music on AIVA, be sure to let me know in the comments. Open Mubert. You can find the site link in the description. Click the Generate a Track Now option. On this page, you can set the mood, genre, theme, playlist, instrument, and BPM to your liking from the Explore section. You can write your desired prompt in this box. But, interestingly, you can even upload the image you created here so that Mubert can write the prompt for you. Choose the type of music and set its duration to 5 minutes. Now select Generate Track and wait for your music to be ready. You can use this button to change and mix the music. Click Download and go to the Downloads page. In this section, you can download the license of each music you have created and keep it in a file. When we click the Download button, it asks you to add your YouTube channel name there and click Continue. Now click on Agree and Download. Download all the tracks one by one. In the final step, we enter CapCut. Add the image and music. Match the image size with the music. Now add the image effects to the music. You can make your image more attractive with animated stickers in CapCut. Finally, export the video and upload it to the channel. Let's watch a part of the video together. I hope this tutorial has been useful for you. I am always looking for new ideas and would be happy if you liked the video. If you are new to my channel, check out the other videos. Maybe there is a topic that is more useful to you. Thank you for being with me until the end. Until next time, happy creating!